Stuck like Chuck in office. It's raining outside like ooh. All right, y'all, we back once again. Another update to the system. Let's see how it responds.
Hey there, my name is Samantha. I'm Hervey's AI voice assistant, here to help you with your AI needs. What is your name?
Gary.
Nice to meet you, Gary. Are you calling to learn how AI voice can help your business? Or is there something specific you'd like to explore?
Yes, how can it?
AI voice is like having a 24/7 receptionist for your business. It answers calls, handles common questions, collects information, and can even schedule appointments or route calls, all in a natural, conversational way. The main goal? To make sure you never miss an opportunity, even when you're busy or after hours. What type of business do you run, Gary?
DJ.
Got it, you're a DJ. AI voice could be a game changer for you. It can handle calls about your availability, rates, and event details, so you can focus on your gigs without worrying about missed calls. Out of curiosity, how much do you typically charge per gig?
About 650.
$650 per gig. That's a solid rate. How many additional gigs per week would you ideally like to book?
One extra per week would be good.
All right, so one extra gig per week at $650 would be $650 times one, which is $650 per week. Over a month, that's $650 times four, which comes out to $2,600 in additional revenue. Would that kind of boost make a meaningful difference for your business?
Oh yeah.
That's awesome to hear, Gary. AI voice could help you capture those missed opportunities and make that extra revenue a reality. Would you like to book a call with a specialist to explore how we can set this up for you?
How much does it cost?
Great question. The setup fee ranges from $1,500 to $5,000, but right now, until March 1st, it's just $499. After that, there's a monthly fee of $297 to keep the system running smoothly. With the potential to bring in an extra $2,600 a month, it could pay for itself pretty quickly. Does that sound like something you'd want to move forward with?
Sure.
Glad you think so, Gary. Would you like me to check available times to book a call with a specialist? Or would you prefer I send you a link to schedule it yourself?
Book a call.
Here are some available times for a call. Wednesday, February 25th at 6:30 a.m., 9:15 a.m., or 11:15 a.m. Thursday, February 26th at 7 a.m., 10 a.m., or 1 p.m. Friday, February 27th at 6 a.m., 9 a.m., or 12 p.m. Do any of these work for you?
Tomorrow at 9:15.
You're all set for tomorrow, Wednesday, February 25th at 9:15 a.m. You'll receive a confirmation email at sassygoat@gmail.com. Is there anything else I can help you with, Gary?
That's it. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome, Gary. Have a great evening, and I hope the call tomorrow goes well. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. So I just need to eliminate that's the email. Well, this is a notification, and I'm the person to be notified, and I am the retail customer at this point. So I got both emails. Now you can set it up to do SMS if that's what you want to do in your business. I just have it set up for email. All right, y'all. I'm gonna work on this, and then I'm going to bed. TMI.